Get ready to blow your mind, because what you're about to hear will change the way you think about your own body. These 20 unbelievable facts about the human body prove that you are a walking miracle. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the incredible machine called you. Fact 1. Let's start with something cosmic. Did you know your blood vessels, if laid out end to end, could stretch more than 100,000 kilometers? That's enough to circle the Earth 4 whole times? All that tubing is packed inside your body right now, quietly delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. Fact 2. Here's something to give you chills. You shed over 600,000 skin particles every single hour. That's nearly 35 kilograms a year. So basically, you're leaving a trail of yourself wherever you go. Fact 3. Think you're resting when you sleep? Think again. Your brain can be even more active during certain stages of sleep than when you're awake. It's processing emotions, storing memories, and dreaming up wild stories. It's the ultimate night shift worker. Fact 4. Your stomach is like a hidden chemical factory. The acid it produces, hydrochloric acid, is strong enough to dissolve metal, including razor blades. Don't worry though, your stomach lining regenerates quickly to protect itself. Fact 5. Blink and you'll miss it, literally. The fastest muscle in your body is the orbicularis oculi, the muscle responsible for blinking. You can blink in just 1/10 of a second, and you do it about 15 to 20 times per minute without even realizing. Fact 6. Here's a fun, or freaky, fact. You're actually more microbe than human. You've got about 30 trillion human cells, but 38 trillion microbial ones, mostly bacteria living in your gut, skin, and mouth. You're basically a walking ecosystem. Fact 7. Babies are born with about 300 bones, but as they grow, many of those bones fuse together. By the time you're an adult, you're left with just 206 bones, still enough to support a lifetime of movement and strength. Fact 8. Your heart is the hardest working muscle in your body. It beats roughly 100,000 times a day. That's over 36 million times a year and nearly 3 billion beats in an average lifetime. And it never takes a break. Ever. Fact 9. Want to impress your friends with some word origins? The word muscle comes from the Latin musculus, meaning little mouse. Ancient Romans thought flexed biceps looked like mice moving under the skin. Weird, but oddly accurate. Fact 10. Your eyes are more powerful than most cameras. Scientists estimate that human vision is equivalent to a 576 megapixel camera. That means you can see in stunning detail, even if your smartphone can't capture it. Fact 11. Blushing is one of the most unique human traits. No other animal on Earth does it. It's your body's way of reacting to embarrassment or emotional exposure, and it's completely involuntary. Basically, it's your face telling the truth. Fact 12. The liver is the only internal organ that can completely regenerate. You could lose up to 75% of it, and it would still grow back, like a biological superpower. That's why liver donations are possible from living people. Fact 13. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve in your body, stretching from your brainstem all the way down into your chest and abdomen. It plays a huge role in regulating heart rate, digestion, mood, and even the immune system. Fact 14. Your taste buds don't last forever, they regenerate every 10 days. But by the time you reach 60, you could lose up to half of them. That's one reason food might not taste the same as you age. Fact 15. Fingernails grow much faster than toenails, up to 4 times faster, in fact. Why? Scientists think it's because fingernails get more blood flow and are used more often, stimulating growth. Fact 16. Your small intestine is anything but small. It's nearly 23 feet long, coiled up neatly inside your abdomen. It's where most of your food's nutrients are absorbed, and without it, survival would be impossible. Fact 17. Inside your lungs is a branching network of airways that, if stretched out, would span over 1,500 miles. That's roughly the distance from New York to Denver. All packed into your chest. Fact 18. While the rest of your body grows and changes, your eyes remain roughly the same size from birth to adulthood. That's That's why babies seem to have such big, soulful eyes, they kind of do. Fact 19, pound for pound, the strongest muscle in your body is the masseter, your jaw muscle. It can exert a bite force of up to 200 pounds of pressure. So yeah, you've got some serious chomping power. Fact 20, even though your brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it uses a massive 20% of the oxygen you breathe. That's how power-hungry your thinking machine really is. Still with me? Mind blown yet? That was just the beginning of the fascinating story that is you. If you found even one of these facts amazing, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because in the next episode, we'll uncover 20 more shocking truths about the human body that science still can't fully explain. See you next time.